Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about how to run selected lines or block of code in VS Code. Okay, so I got VS Code opened and I got a script here. And this script will basically log in to a SD-WAN manager and retrieve the list of devices from that controller or SD-WAN manager. Okay, so to basically run selected lines in VS Code, just highlight the lines and right click on them and run Python, run selection line in Python terminal. So if you see this error, because sometimes it happens this way, I tested it myself, what you can do is run the Python interpreter itself, like so. And now I can select these lines again, right click on them, run Python, run selection line in Python terminal. Now we can see that the lines are now being run in the Python interpreter. Okay, and I can select these lines, right click on them, run Python, run selection, like so. And I can select these two functions, for example, right click on them, run Python, run selection line in Python terminal. So we can see that it continues, right? So it doesn't matter if you run or if you don't select all of them and just run a few lines at a time. Now I can now select that block of code and run selection line. One more time, run selection line. Yeah, it worked already. Didn't notice. And now run the main function. And it should run the whole script. All right, so now we see that the login successful. We see that the JSON ID was obtained, and we see the list of the SD-WAN devices. Okay, so that's how you can run selected lines or block of code in VS Code. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.